Kavindani kwithiitwe kuikusiiwa syiko sya uvungulu wa muuo kumanwa na mbulili kwitha iinyamaasya enenthi muno mbumbanoni sya kiuteti. President William Ruto niwaweta vena vata wa ianda kivathukanio kuka vamwe na kukwatiania undu muinyu utonya uthela. Aini na yeleo kosa mawendekethio maundu nthi ya Kenya tona kukilia ukwati wayo kufikia ndoto ya mwakani wa 2030. President Ruto niwaweta kana muvea wa useseiwa ilite kuikithia kana onthe ala meikonia na kulua nduthi na kwananga muuo wa Kenya nimekiwa mbini na kosewa matambia makimeo mwaka mweu ena mauvo.
Ainena jila ukosa alivoti ya matambia la silikane nene yosete kuikithia kana ndoto ya mwaka wa 2030 ni yania. President William Ruto niwaweta kana thina munene ula wende na ukusiiwa maundu ni muuo wetetwe ni amwe matongoi na enenthi kwithiwa maisi ya matambia makimeo mayose wa alame utulamiao.
And then we have goons. And then I don't know whether we want to say again these are our children. The goons. So, we really need to have a candid conversation about criminality, the rule of law, security of our nation. It cannot be the case. There cannot be any defense for criminality. There cannot be any defense for breaking the law.
President Ruto eweta kana vena vata ianda kivathukanio kuka vamwe na kuswania kwa umwe undu thina wa mbulili ila siende na unyamasya enenthi utonya kuthinikiwa na mituki undu vatonyeka.
I am very happy that the last time there was an attempt for criminality in town and we stopped it. Many Kenyans agreed that no, it's now time for us to say no to people who want to ban our property. And that is going to be the future. It's now clear that everybody, every sector of our society, the business leaders, religious leaders, political leaders, have all agreed that having lawlessness, goons and all these other characters, criminals, should be stopped.
Ingi President Ruto ni wakulia muvea wa usesei kutumania muuo na kosa matambia maima kimia kwa onthe alame ukwatikana mayananga mali ya enenthi undumwe na kulua nduthi.
We have a consensus. Our security agencies must do their job. Within the law, they must do their job and they must stop criminality. That is how we are going to secure Kenya's future. Even as we discuss this future of our nation in the context of what we are saying.
Ilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo ndito wa mwaka mweu.